Hi, my name is Allison Lane. Some people know me as Little A. I have gone to camp for about 4 years. I have gone to every level of equestrian camp and have loved every minute of it. I have met some very cool counselors that I keep in touch with. I've also met a couple of friends that I keep in touch with through writing letters. When I first went to camp, I didn't know what to expect. I knew that my sister was working there, and that made me feel a lot safer. I had mixed feelings about going by myself. With the help of my counselors and the girls in my session, I had a blast and wanted to come back next year. Some things that that I've learned at camp are how to ride a horse, to mount and dismount, how to steer a horse with the reins, and how to trot and canter. Other things that I've learned outside of horse camp are how to be myself, how to treat others, how to be independent, and how to do things myself before asking for help. To me, camp is a place where you can let go of yourself and have fun. You don't have to worry about people judging you or discounting you. Everyone is different and has their own stories to tell. Camp is where you can meet people from different countries and states. You don't get that experience anywhere else. I hope camp is around for at least 50 more years so I can make many more memories. Thank you for making camp the amazing place that it has come to be.